a peacock that rests on his feathers is just another turkey. Dolly Parton, a peacock's tail. These arguments would suggest is not a handicap. It is an advertisement. Richard Dawkins, a peacock has too little vanity to be ashamed of its ugliness. Marty Rubin, a true friend is somebody who can make you laugh like a peacock. Peacock strut. Because they can't fly, they'd give up the strutting in a heartbeat for the chance to soar. Adil Purohit, a peacock that sits on its tail feathers is just another turkey. Proverb, a peacock dances because of the beauty of his feathers. Layla Gifty Akita, a peacock does not become a rooster by tearing out his tail feathers. African proverb, a peacock that spreads its feathers is a peacock no more. Pavan Chowdhury, the feathers of a peacock are finer than those of a swan, and the voice of the nightingale is sweeter than that of the parrot. Saudi, like the peacock, I put my finest feathers forward. Marty Rubin, a peacock is a person with integrity, a sense of self, and a sense of dignity. Marva Collins, the peacock is a bird of a thousand colors. Japanese proverb, a peacock's tail is not just feathers, but a ladder to the sky. Anthony T. Hinks, the pride of the peacock is the glory of God. William Blake, the peacock is the divinest of all birds because it takes great pride in its beauty. Ami Kalantri, like a peacock, your beauty is multiplied when you spread your wings and show the world your stuff. Donny Osmond, the peacock's tail feather is not a feather at all but a ladder with which the peacock climbs to heaven. Sri Chinmoy, a peacock is just another bird until it spreads its wings. L.J. Veneer, a peacock who rests on its feathers is just another turkey. Dolly Parton, the true beauty of a peacock is its spirit, not its feathers. Jacqueline Casey, a peacock who sits on its tail is just another turkey. Proverb, the peacock struts because it cannot fly. Marty Rubin, the peacock spreads its feathers in fear, but the phoenix rises above. Amit Ray, even the peacock follows a higher law, the law of beauty. Jan Martel,